Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now take a look at the Western Caribbean, where we can see an increase in clouds and a distinct line of clouds, showers and thunderstorms. We do have a frontal system in the western portion of the Caribbean. It is expected to be moving closer to the Jamaica area, so we are expected to see an increase in clouds across the area over the next couple of days. Across the eastern and central Caribbean, however, stable conditions. There are some low-level clouds. We're not seeing any significant shower or thunderstorm activity. The forecast for tonight is for generally fair skies to partly cloudy skies across most of the area. We're expecting the temperatures to drop to about 24 degrees Celsius in both Kingston and in Montego Bay. Expect the winds to be at about 10 knots on both coasts. In the morning tomorrow, it's partly cloudy to generally sunny across most of the area, but for the afternoon, we do have some partly cloudy conditions persisting, and we're also expecting to see a few isolated showers, mainly across sections of western parishes and sections of inland areas. Temperatures 32 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, in our breakdown, expect partly cloudy conditions for halfway through Portmore, Spanish Town, Maypen, and Mandeville tomorrow. We're expecting some isolated showers and thunderstorms possible also for Santa Cruz, also for Savannah, Lamar, sections of Lucy, Montego Bay, and Falmouth. Elsewhere, expect some shower activity if you're in K Valley or Duncans. We're expecting showers also for sections of Moco and Christiana, in sections of the north in Brownstown, St. Anne's Bay, as well as Ocherius, Port Maria, and Port Antonio should see partly cloudy conditions for most of the afternoon. Now, the next few days, isolated showers are expected across the area on Tuesday and Wednesday. Slight drying is expected on Thursday. We do have partly cloudy conditions for most of the day across most of the island. For the marine forecast on the north coast tomorrow, winds are east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. For inshore areas of the south coast, we're expecting the winds to be out of the east-southeast at 20 to 25 knots, so we're keeping our small craft warning in effect. Wave heights are between 2 and 2.5 meters. And for offshore areas, northeasterlies are at 20 to 25 knots, so that small craft warning also stays in effect. Wave heights are between 2 and 2.5 meters. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.